What's going on? Michael Petty here. So I'm going to show you a very simple system that I personally use to get more leads, get more signups, make more sales in my business. This is a page that I created myself, but the original page looks like this. But I upgraded into the full system so I can create pages, create funnels, share them with my team. Right? If I create a page or create a funnel I see is high converting, I can take that, share it with my team so they can use it, so they can get results also. But I started with this system, Lead Lightning, back in 2019. I actually signed up with it in 2018, but I sat on it for about a month before I even started promoting it because I was concentrating on another system or project. But I found out how outdated that system or project was then. Right, so I started promoting Lead Lightning. Why I didn't jump in Lead Lightning right away, don't understand. So what brought me success, when I bought the Lead Lightning account, the first thing I did was I started giving away a free list building system. I was giving these away like candy. And I realized once individuals started opting in and getting a free system, because everybody needs leads, everybody want to make sales, everybody that you mainly talk to, if you're targeting the right people, which is other affiliate marketers, other network marketers, they already have a business. So they're not really looking for a business, but they're looking for more signups and they're looking for more sales in their business. So instead of going back and forth, because I had a business, they're pushing their business to me. Well, I'm not looking for a business. I'm trying to grow mine. So what I said is, hey, listen, I see you trying to grow your business. So I have a free list building system. This system has helped you find buyers on the back end for your business. Does that sound like something you'd be interested in? Who's going to say, no, I'm not looking for information that can help me build my business? That doesn't even make sense. So I'm giving away these free systems. And to show you my emails, you see free systems just upgrade to Lead Lightning. These are people who I promoted the Lead Lightning directly. You just earn $6, you just earn $6. As you see, majority of them are free members upgrading to Lead Lightning funnel. So it works like a charm. And both links to Lead Lightning funnel and also to the free lead system are both down in the description. You can get either one, because both of them pretty much promotes the Lead Lightning. This system is a ongoing continuous funnel. Walks you from free to $7 to $20 per member per month, all the way up to a $500 passive income on sales you don't make. You can make $500 on a sale that someone else made. Once you get inside, you get to see all that. But right now, Lead Lightning is just the very beginning stages. But Lead Lightning also comes with the email campaign. Okay, it promotes Lead Lightning and it promotes your primary business. This is already done for you, right? The lead capture page is created for you. The email campaign is created for you. Now I can go in and edit each email campaign because I've upgraded to the system, right? I got the full system. I can do anything I want with them. But with Lead Lightning, done for you, capture page done for you, email campaign, and also a done for you sales page that promotes the Lead Lightning funnel, right? So all this is already done for you, and it's only $7 one time, and you earn unlimited $6 commissions. Okay, show you right there. So not only are you making money off people trying to build their business because they're pitching you on social media, or you marketing it, explaining how a person can use this to build their business, right? If you're targeting the right people, other network marketers, affiliate marketers, anybody trying to learn how to make money online, they need to build their list. They need a way to make money. Think about this, a person in network marketing, in MLM, I say that. They have auto ships. A lot of them ain't getting a lot of recruits because the average person recruit 2.2 people. Why you think that structure is 2 get 2 get 2 get 2? That's why they teach that, because that's the average that a person's going to bring in. That's why that structure is there, 2 get 2 binary, right? That's why that's pushed the most, because they understand this, they understand that the most people are going to recruit that many people, just 2, right? So just imagine how many people you can get if you're showing other people how this system can help them build their business. If they focus on helping people, because it's all about value. The more value we bring to the table, the more money we can make. So now you're making money giving people what they're looking for: more leads and more sales, right? So even if a person does not sign up with your primary business, you still make a $6 commission. On top of that, you can make up to $500 once they get inside of Lead Lightning, right? Once they get inside of a Facebook group and they can see how they can make more and more money, right? Building pages and funnels to promote whatever they're promoting online. You literally can't beat that. Whenever someone is pitching their business, I start off saying, hey, I have a $7 system that can help you build your business, get leads, and make sales on autopilot. But if they say, hey, $7 is way too much, okay, because for some people, $7 is way too much. Even though $7 is a McDonald's meal, even though they buy Jordans, right, for spending on shoes $100, you didn't bought Lead Lightning 30 times, and you're buying products that don't put money back in your pocket. And the $7 system at least puts $6 back in your pocket. Plus, it can grow to a lot more money. So with this system, I never have to promote my business because there's no need to, because this system does it for me. I'm having a conversation with somebody. They're trying to build their business. I can give you a system that can help you build your business. And on the back end, the email is going out for me promoting my business. So I don't have to ever talk about my business online. Only thing I need to do is drive traffic to my system. If you can drive traffic to this system, or you conversate with somebody, they're pitching their business, and you drive that traffic to this system, the system takes over from there. You just need to be in position to make money. This is a complete, done for you, full system. Crazy. $7 one time. Unlimited $6 commissions. And then on the inside, you can make up to $500 on sales you don't make if you are in position to. Right? And we got a funnel. Once you get on the inside, we got systems, we got funnels, we got people creating funnels, a multi-million-dollar earner creator funnel. You can follow step by step on how you can build a 6-figure income year after year. Now we have all that on the inside of this system. So go ahead and click that link down below. Start off with the free system. Start off with Lead Lightning. Okay, so you can get an understanding how it works. If you get Lead Lightning, you're going to get invited to our private Facebook group only for paid members. So you can see everything you get. Ask your questions, you definitely gonna get your answers. You got the CEO making sales for you on the inside. You got fast start training you get to see. So you can watch, so even at the $7, you come in for $7, go into the group, you can see the full system before you buy it. So you get an idea. For $7, you get an idea of what the full system is about. And if you see value in that system, go ahead and upgrade, position yourself to earn. But if you don't see the power in the full system and all you want to do is say, listen, I want to use Lead Lightning to build my list, and I want to have Lead Lightning do the selling for me so you can just run traffic and then promote your business on autopilot, you can stay there if you want to. But I'm all in, right? The full system is crazy. Like I said, $500 on sales I don't have to make. I just got to be in position to do that, and I am in position. Can't beat that. And I started off with the system that you're looking at right now, Lead Lightning. So click the link down in the description. My name is Michael Petty. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Talk to you soon.